Is it recording already?
Yep.
It is recording.
Yeah.
Hi, Kath. What will it be?
Ooh,
Try it again.
Anything I want?
We don't want to talk over each other.
Okay.
Hi, Kath. How are you?
Good, Quynh. How are you?
Good. What will it be?
Anything I want?
Anything you want.
Could I please have a Blue Lagoon?
Amazing.
I know it's a very complex cocktail,
It
Quynh.
is overly complex. I am doing a twist. We are using gin imbue from
Victoria?
Melbourne, Victoria. I'm using Takai Per. Takai Per. Blue Curacao. This is all about the magic. Look at that.
What?
We are using Fever Tree. Thank you. Tonic. Adds a bit of a twist on there as well. And you can't forget the cherries, can you? It's all about the cherries, Kath. All about the cherries. If I can get it out of the goddamn jar. And being environmentally conscious, metal straws.
It's beautiful.
From the Nip of Courage team, happy World Cocktail Day.